Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Modded Pen here. I'm Corey, owner of Adams Auto, and today we're going to be trying to add a second air inlet to my air box on my 25 Ram 1500 3.6. And what we're going to basically do is we're going to try to feed it underneath the factory air inlet duct and route it to the bottom side of the factory air box. I'll show you what I bought. Picked it up at my local parts store, and I'll show you how we're gonna attempt to do this. Let's go. So this is what we picked up at my local parts store, and it's just a 3-inch flexible air duct. It should work good for what we're trying to use it for, and obviously the purpose of this is to get more airflow into that air box to feed my AFE cold air intake. So this is how we're going to do it. So we went ahead and we took off this top radiator shroud piece, and then we went ahead and we took off this 10mm bolt. And we're just kind of working on taking off all the button clips so that we can remove this out and put a 3-inch hole in it. And then basically, there's not really good light, but it's gonna basically go right underneath the factory one there and then come out under these wires and right up into the airbox. Right, so we got our shroud out, and we drilled a 3.5-inch hole for this kit, and then we're gonna go reinstall it. And I'm not sure, I might put like a zip tie through the bottom of this to hold it in place. I might pre-drill it now so I can put a zip tie through there, and maybe right here and right. All right guys, we got everything all buttoned back up. So I ran my 3-inch flexible hose. From there, I put a hose clamp on it so it can't slide back. As you can see, it's right underneath the factory air inlet duct. And then it pretty much just follows it around. As you can see, it runs right down there and it comes up right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and install the cold air intake and see what it does.